everyone! Welcome to 30 Days Piano with Viky for Beginners. Today we're learning the theme from Avengers Endgame and this is day 11. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play really quick notes with the right hand. So stay until the end and you will be able to play really quickly with your right hands. I'll first play you the piece and then we'll start learning it together. Let's get started! Did you know an X-Men wants in on the fun in Avengers? Hugh Jackman spent a whole year talking up a fight between Wolverine and Iron Man. For the owners in Fox, this fight might be challenging to bring on the screen. But with Disney's 2017 announcement of a merger between Disney and Fox, this might be in the cards. The new scale for today to warm up with will be the G minor scale. G minor has a B flat and an E flat. We're going to practice that in its natural version. So, G, A, B flat, go under, C, D, E flat, F and G. And then go back. G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, A, G. The left hand, as usual, will be the same patterns as the C major, A minor, or the other scale we played. So 5 on the G, 4, 3 on the B flat, C, D, go over to the E flat with the third finger, and finish on G. And then go back. Go under. As usual, you could try to play the scale hands together in a short or a long version. I'm going to show you the short version first. And the long version, 2 octaves. If you have more time, you can also warm up with the harmonic G minor scale, which will have the 7th note of the scale raised with a half tone. So that's going to be the F sharp, and it's going to look like this. And the melodic version of the minor scale. E natural, F sharp, and then go back natural. Depends on how much time you have to warm up today. So let's have a look at the notes we're going to work. So being in the G minor scale, we'll have a few Gs. So you're starting from the low G. Obviously the B will be a flat. So let's actually add the flat here. The Bs and the Cs will be the same on the piano but written differently on the bass and treble clefs. So basically the G minor scale, but just very useful to have a look at the notes you're going to work with. Today we have only one challenge we have to practice together before we play the piece from the beginning to the end. The challenge is to play fast notes with the right hand, as I mentioned before. How do we play fast repeated notes on the piano? If you want to play very quickly a repeated note on the piano, it's very useful for your arm and fingers and the speed of the note you want to play with to repeat that note with different fingers. So I'm going to show you how to do that slowly. If we want to repeat the D 3 times, that will be, if you repeat that D 3 times very quickly, your hand will become very stiff. That happens naturally because you're trying to repeat that note very quickly. So to make sure that your hand feels a bit more relaxed and that actually that note plays out very quickly, it's very good to change the fingers. So for example, 3, 2, 1. Will allow you to change the key very quickly. That way you can actually repeat it very quickly without having any tension in your arm and your hand. So for example, the notes we're going to work with, which are very fast repeated, are the D, the E flat, the E, the F, and then going back. E natural, E flat, and then the B flat and the C, which are not repeated. If I show you the notes we're going to play in order, that will be D, 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 E flat, E natural, F, F, E natural, going backwards, E flat, and then B flat and C. Now let's repeat them with the rhythm we have here. Actually, to practice that rhythm, it's very useful if you just tap it or clap it. That way you get used to it. So I'm gonna clap it once for you. So that's da 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 da. So every time you see a quaver and a crotchet notes, this will be our long notes, and the semiquavers will be the quick notes. So you can even play it like this: quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Now let's try to play it very slowly, only going up without going backwards with the fingers we see there. So 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. And we're going to stop there. Now, another tip I can give you, before you go to the E flat, stay really inside the keys so you don't lose time going between that D and E flat. Let's try a little bit faster. That's it. Now, another tip which might help you is to give a little accent each time you change the note. So and so. So accent meaning playing the note extra loud with more weight. So I'm gradually growing my speed now, right? So let's try a little bit faster. Sometimes the notes play by themselves almost because it's so easy to change on the same key with different fingers. You'll find that very tricky the first time you play it, but then if you repeat it a few times, you'll gradually become easier. So that's my tip for this challenge, which is the only challenge in the piece. Let's try to play it together under tempo. The left hand is super easy, so no worries about the left hand. You're changing a couple of times towards the end of the piece, but mainly it's just staying on the G, giving you a very steady speed and beat. Okay, so let's try that together from the beginning. The speed will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Sign octave up, left hand adds the D, change to the C, the left hand, change to the D, in the right hand and repeat. Back to the beginning. One, two, three, four. Now let's repeat the ending one more time because that's something that we haven't done before. I would advise here to actually catch your G and A with the thumb. That way you're free to change the top notes. So C, D, E. So let's take it from G, D, hold, 3, 4, short octave on the G at the end. With the accent, that's how the accent looks like, if you can see it next to me. So let's repeat the ending one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. And that's it. And that was amazing music from the Avengers. I hope you enjoyed today's video and the music. If you want to see more tutorials like this, subscribe and see you next time. Bye!